Hi first graders, you made it to Expedition. This is the last thing you need to do before you start your weekend. We're going to talk about our invisible tools, and Miss Yu introduced you our first invisible tool, which was right here. And this invisible tool was initiative. Can you say that word with me? Initiative. And in order to remember initiative, we point our finger to our brain and we go like this to show initiative. We talked that initiative means that you decide what needs to be done and you do it. You also ask questions to help you learn and you make a plan. When you show initiative, you make a plan to do something. Yesterday we talked about perseverance. Can you do that with me? Perseverance. And perseverance means that when something is hard, we still keep trying. We challenge ourselves, and when something is hard, I keep trying and ask for help when we need it. We don't give up and we don't quit. Today, I want to tell you about our last invisible tool. Our last invisible tool is collaboration. Everyone say collaboration. Yeah, in order to remember collaboration, we're going to put our hands like this and say collaboration. Good job, friends. What do you think collaboration means? It's when you work with other people nicely. You listen to other people's ideas and make better ideas by thinking with others. It's when you're working with other people very nicely. Raise your hand if you've ever had to work with someone before. Yeah, me too. At school, we had to work together in our crew, or even on the monkey bars. My friend and I, we worked together to get to the very end. What we're going to do is we're going to watch a video, and I want you to think, how are these animals using collaboration? Think very hard while we watch this video together. Great. I want you to think now, how did those animals use collaboration? How did they work together? Yep, you're right. In the first video, we saw all the crabs get into formation and they used their pinchers to pinch the seagull because they didn't want the seagull to eat them. In the second clip, we saw the ants, and one ant was about to get sucked in by the anteater, but they all came together and made a huge ball so that no one would get sucked up. The third one was the penguins had to work together. They had to use collaboration to move to one side of this iceberg so that the whale wouldn't eat them either. Those are all really good examples of collaboration where the animals had to work together. I want you to think, when's the time you had to use collaboration? Ooh, I know. One time Miss Yu had to use collaboration with my brother, and we decided to take all the blankets and we worked together to make a fort in our house. And then once we were in our fort, we got to read books and play games. We had to work together to put all the blankets nice and properly so that it would hold up like a tent. What I want you to do now is you're going to find your, before we talk about that, we're going to go back to our most magnificent thing. And how did the girl use collaboration? Who did she use collaboration with? Yeah, she used collaboration with her dog, the assistant, and together they worked to make the most magnificent thing. So even in a lot of books and a lot of stories, people are using the invisible tool of collaboration. Now, you are going to go into your tools and work journal and find a paper that says collaboration recording form. Or you can look for this sign here where there's two people holding hands to show collaboration. Why don't you find this paper? Once you find this paper, you're going to think of a time you showed collaboration and draw it. So Miss Yu's going to draw when my brother, here's my brother, and here's Miss Yu. We worked together to build a fort out of blankets at our house. Ooh, I probably need some eyes. So does my brother. But you're going to draw when you use collaboration and answer the next question. How did you feel when you collaborated with others? Did you feel happy? Did you feel excited? Did you feel sad? Did you feel frustrated? Tell me how you felt when you used collaboration. When you are done with your form, I want you to take a picture of it and put it into Seesaw. Miss Yu will be waiting for your response right here where it says Tools and Work Collaboration. Make sure that you take a picture. All right, friends, have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.